Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vanessa, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I customized and installed this beautiful unit from scratch to get the ultimate lace melt. Without further much ado, let's jump right into this video. Today's hair is from a company called WestKiss. It's a 13 by 4 curly wig in 18 inches, and here's what it looks like straight out of the bag. It clearly needs some work, so we're going to start with customizing the lace. To do that, I'm using a mixing bowl and a brush, some Clairol BW2 bleach powder, 30 volume developer, and shimmer light conditioner. For frontal wig, I mix about 2 scoops of the bleach powder with just the right amount of developer that's going to give me a pasty mixture. You don't want your mixture too runny that it seeps into the lace or too pasty. You want a consistency that falls somewhere in between. I combed the hair backwards so I don't accidentally bleach the strands, and using very gentle pressure, I applied the bleach onto my lace. And you want to apply that sparingly. Don't put too much at the beginning, just go very slowly and very gently. And for more precise application, I switched to using a butter knife. About 30 minutes later, this is what my lace looks like. As you can see, the knots are perfectly bleached, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash this. So once the lace is all clean, I'm going to apply some shimmer light conditioner, and what this basically does is it helps with the redness or brassiness. So say you over bleached your lace, it's going to tone it down a little bit. While that purple conditioner works on the knots, I'm going to co-wash the rest of the hair using the Aussie Miracle Moist conditioner. This is going to soften the hair even more and just bring the curls to life. And at this point, I use a brush to comb through the hair. This is the only time I do that because when it's wet, it's very easy to comb through rather than when it is dry. So I let the hair sit in conditioner for about 20 minutes, and then I wash it out and use a cotton t-shirt to take out the excess water. Using a t-shirt as opposed to a towel is going to help your hair not to get frizzy. As you can see, the curls are bouncing. The hair looks pretty much alive right now. So we're going to go in with the Cantu leave-in conditioner, and I take a good amount of that and I just run through the hair, bring out the curls, and this is going to stay popping till we style our hair. Next, I let the hair air dry, and as you can see, it's giving volume, it's giving scalp. This hairline, like the knots are perfectly bleached, is giving pretty much scalp. Now we're ready to style it and install. I'm gonna do a detailed in-depth video of how I furthermore customize the hair, but basically what I do is I use a cream foundation in my shade to make the lace look more like my scalp, and I use the got2b freeze glue to lay that down. Obviously, if you have tinting spray, that will work even better, but in the absence of it, you can definitely use foundation. And then I go ahead to pluck the hairline, and as I said, I'm gonna do an in-depth video on that. But yeah, this is what our hair is looking like. The hairline is plucked and it's pretty much giving, you know, scalp. It's giving natural vibes, it's giving curly, kinky, natural hair. Yeah, so I'm using a hot comb to just lay back the hair. I already took out some baby hair, and I'm sorry guys, because further along in this video, when you see me lay down the wig, the lace would have already been cut, because the first time I did the install, I was in such a haste to get to a party that I did not have time to film me cutting down the lace. I'm gonna insert some pictures of when I first did the install. But yeah, that's where we are at right now. So let's go ahead and install this hair. First things first, I'm going to use some gel, and I'm using the Style Factor gel to lay back my edges so it doesn't get in the way. And then I put on the wig cap and I pull it backwards so it does not show under my lace. And you also want to wipe down your forehead with some alcohol, so if there's like oil or any residue of any products, that will get out of the way. And then I customized the wig cap because it's not in my shade, so I put some foundation on that so it looks more like my scalp. And as you can see, as I said before, the lace is already cut, so we're just gonna go ahead and use some olive oil spray on that. I'm not doing the ball cap method, so I'm not using glue, I'm just using spray on this. And I just spray down the lace on all areas. Make sure you spray down the lace that's close to your ear pretty well, because that always tends to stick out for some reason. So you want to spread that down really well. And next I'm going to grab an elastic band and use that to tie down the lace. So it's been about 15 minutes. The lace is ready to come off and our lace is pretty much melted. Now it's time to take out some baby hair. So now that our wig is laid and our baby hairs are done, we're gonna go ahead one last time and use the elastic band to lay down everything so we have a good melt. And I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup off camera, and boom, here is the final look, guys. I really love how this came out. Please let me know down below what you guys think, and thank you so much for following through this video. Please subscribe and turn up your notifications so you can see more videos from me. Thank you.